It is possible to earn hundreds of dollars a week working in the tech industry without an engineering background, coding skills, or a professional degree. Major tech companies are racing to launch new AI models, but these systems require continuous feedback from real people to sound more realistic. Because human-grade training data is rare, these companies pay a premium for users who can provide it. We are going to walk through 5 platforms currently hiring, showing you how to build a resume for their automated scanners and how to use a specific method to navigate the hardest assessment tests. To set this up, you only need 4 basic tools: a computer, a Google account, access to ChatGPT, and native language fluency in a regional language like Hindi, Marathi, or Gujarati. These companies are looking for remote workers, but they first have to verify that your profile matches their training needs. Successfully navigating these initial portals is the first requirement to getting your account approved for paid tasks. Step 1 starts at a platform called Mercure. When you search their open projects, skip the engineering roles. Filter the location to India and select the generalist application. These platforms use automated software to scan for specific keywords and experiences. If your resume doesn't mirror the exact skills listed, it is unlikely to reach a human reviewer. Instruct ChatGPT to process those raw skills into a structured resume layout tailored for the generalist role. Give 1 correction before finishing. Tell it to remove the word professional and just use summary to look more natural. Have ChatGPT export the final text as a PDF. Then upload that file directly into the Mercure application portal. This AI-tailored document acts as a blueprint, engineered to meet the requirements of the platform's automated screening filters. Now that the resume is built, you can apply to 3 more platforms. The first is Outlier, then Marital AI, and TELUS Digital AI. On Outlier, prioritize applications for a regional language you speak fluently. For Marital AI, set filters to remote and worldwide. Inputting 40 hours a week at $50 helps keep your profile competitive. At TELUS Digital AI, filter the education tier to high school diploma. This specific filter provides access to the general AI data annotation roles. Across all of these sites, log in with your Google account and keep your profile details consistent to simplify verification. Utilizing these remote, native language filters avoids the heavily overcrowded English-only queues, and it increases the frequency of task invitations. The 5th platform is called Data Annotation. It uses a complex assessment where you must evaluate 2 different AI responses side by side to determine which is more accurate. You can navigate this by taking a wide screenshot of the entire testing interface, capturing both the original prompt and both AI responses in a single frame. Upload that screenshot to ChatGPT and ask it to evaluate the responses. It calculates which response is better based on grading criteria. Instruct ChatGPT to provide a copy-paste answer that includes the necessary sources for a passing grade. Paste that output back into the data annotation interface, then complete the final step of recording a short audio introduction to verify your identity. Using a large language model to evaluate the test data provides the structured logic and citations these platforms specifically look for during their assessment phase. All 5 applications are now active. Most of these platforms take about 1 week to review your initial data and move you to the next stage. Keep an eye on your email for an invitation to an automated, audio-only interview. Since there is no human on the other end, simply speak clearly and confirm the details from your resume. If you face technical issues during the onboarding for Outlier, there is a step-by-step webinar link in the description to help you troubleshoot the setup. Success in the remote AI economy depends more on navigating these specific application systems than on traditional technical credentials.
Thank you for watching.